Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to play Real Racing 3 multiplayer with your friends. So the first thing you want to do here is to open the Real Racing 3 app. And once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the settings icon. Now in here, you'll see the option to link your account. You can either connect your Facebook or Google Play account. So personally, I recommend linking Facebook because it's usually easier to find friends that way. So don't worry. Real Racing 3 only takes your name and profile picture, so you're not really giving away any sensitive information. Once your account is linked, your friends also need to link theirs the same way. That's super important because if they don't connect their Facebook or Google Play, you won't see them in your friends list at all. Now to actually play with them, you can head over to online option on the left side menu, and from here you'll see the option to invite friends. So you can invite up to 7 people, which is pretty cool if you want to race as a group. So on my screen right now, it says no friends found. That's because none of my Facebook friends are currently playing this game. But if your friend has linked their account and also plays Real Racing 3, their name should show up right here, and you'll be able to invite them directly into your race. Also, make sure both you and your friends have a stable internet connection because multiplayer races can lag if your Wi-Fi is weak. Also, check that you're all using the same version of the game because sometimes if the app isn't updated, you might run into problems connecting with each other. And that's it. Once you've invited your friends and they accept, we're ready to race together in Real Racing 3. Alright guys, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.